Hey guys, it's Bonnie from Bolderbon. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be planning for 3 weeks in my Erin Condren Life Planner. Now I pulled a bunch of kits. The first one here is the Llama Love collection. I also have a romance kit, which I think will be perfect for Valentine's week. Now all of these are love themes, so it's going to be really hard to decide which one to use. Next is Fluttering Kisses, and then I also have Wings of Love and the Sweetheart collection. So let's go ahead and get started. The first kit I'm going to use is the brand new Llama Love collection. Now this first week is a plan as I go style where I lay things down every single day and write in my to-do list. The only exception is that I am actually putting down all of the general things down first because I do want to focus on using all of the stickers on this kit. So I put down all of the bottom washi, the little flags up top, and then I'm also putting down all of my headers. Now I decided to stagger all of my headers because I did have glitter headers in this collection, so I thought it would look super cute to do that, although I totally put them down in the incorrect place. You'd think that I would get the hang of it by now in the neutral planner, but I have not. So I will be moving all that stuff around. I did put down all of my full box checklist and my date covers up top. Now I am working on the sidebar now. And then once I'm finished with the sidebar, I am going to fill it in and then start planning for Monday. Now I went ahead and filled all of the to-do list in, and then I'm just putting down my full box sticker and a quarter box and half box at the bottom. I also grabbed my sticker book to pull out a little bonbon laptop because I needed to pack all of my orders on Monday and ship some more sticker bundles that went out this last week. And moving on to Tuesday, you guys can see this is where I start moving around all of the headers to fit the boxes. I decided to go ahead and put all of my full boxes down for the rest of the week. That way I'm not moving around the glitter headers all week long. So then on Tuesday, it was the last day to order your April sticker bundle. So I put down a cute little sweet cakes heart eye emoji that just released on Friday, along with 24 other sweet cake emojis, so definitely check them out. I also put down a cute little payday sticker because it was payday on Tuesday as well. And then I'm just putting down some deco stickers on Wednesday and then reminding myself that it is the last day to ship all of the bundles. And then I also put down another little sweet cakes emoji because I shipped out one of my friends' goodie box on Wednesday, so hopefully she's getting that soon. And then I'm just filling in the rest of my to-do list on Wednesday and marking off my sidebar. So moving on to Thursday, I grabbed some birthday bonbons because it was Brian's birthday on Thursday. And then for the rest of the week, I decided to pre-plan so I wouldn't be filming every single day for Brian's birthday weekend. So I'm just moving a bunch of things around so I can fit the weekend banner. I also am going to hold on to the leftover glitter headers because I do use all of the leftover stickers in my use it up week at the end of the month or at the beginning of that next month. So let me know down below if you guys want to see another use it up month where I put all three of these kits together to use up the rest of the stickers left in the kit. So that is a look at the Llama Love collection. I'm just finishing off by putting down last of the deco stickers, and then moving on to Valentine's week, I did decide to go with the romance collection. Now this kit is a little different than the last kit that I put down. I did choose 3 different kits that have completely different layouts, so you guys will see 3 different kits in action. Now this kit does come with hydrate and meal stickers so you can keep track of your meals every evening and mark off all of your water intake. I also have all of my full box checklists, so I decided to put those down at the bottom. Sometimes I put them up top or in the middle of the section. It does vary. I do like to play around with my layouts, but when I do use a full kit, I like to put it down so that you can use as many stickers in the collection as possible. So you guys are going to see me try and use a lot of these stickers. I am putting down all of my full boxes up top. Then I'm going to use the middle section for my tidbits section. It's kind of like a highlight section, I would say, where I highlight something that I really need to get done, or something fun that happens. So Valentine's Day, I put some of the fun stickers right on Valentine's Day. And then I'm also going to be putting down all of my date covers up top. Now this collection also comes with a top washi bar. You can put it up top or you can put it on the bottom. I am putting it on top this week, but you guys will see how I use it next week on the bottom washi strip. And then moving on to the sidebar, I am just setting it all up so that I am ready to go for the week. I love this way of planning. I think it's the fastest way of planning, at least for me anyway, where I just put down all of the stickers that I think I'm going to be using for the week, and then I hold on to the rest of the sticker kit so that I have all of that ready, so if something else comes up I can move things around. Now this kit also comes with washi strips, so if you do prefer a no white space look, you can totally do that with this kit, but I just show you a couple of boxes where I decided to do that with. I typically like to have a little bit of white space popping through, especially in my like tidbit section. So I'm just moving a bunch of stickers around because I realized that I would not be able to go see a movie on Saturday, so I moved that over to Sunday. So that is a look at the romance kit. Moving on to the next week, I decided to go with the Sweetheart collection rather than the Wings of Love, although purple is my favorite color. I just thought that Wings of Love may be very nice to use on an anniversary week instead, or just something for love. So I am putting down the bottom washi now. You guys can see I did put the top border right on top of the bottom washi just to give it a little extra flair. Since this kit does have a lot of like flower petals, I thought that that would look really pretty up top instead of the top washi. Now I'm just putting down all of the like general things that I want to put down for the week. So all of the date covers up top. I also put the to-do headers with my full box checklist. So I did just make a slight change from last week. So I put all of those full box checklists down at the bottom, and then this week I decided to put them up top. It's a slight little change like that that really does help keep me motivated and interested in planning. I know it seems silly, but if I was to put things down completely the same way every single week, it would get a bit boring to plan. So I'm just finishing off putting down all of my full boxes down at the bottom. Also putting down my Bolderbon logo along with the weekend banner, and then I'm putting down all of the glitter headers just in the middle of the section. I decided to stagger all of the different colors this week. I just thought it looked so super pretty to put them up top and at the bottom just to kind of highlight my tidbit section here. Just finishing off with all of the glitter headers, and then I'm going to move over to my sidebar. I like to put down my task reminders. I'm going to use one of them for my workouts this week, and then I'm also going to put down a full box checklist. I like to use that for a to-do list for things that I need to get done throughout the week. And then I just put down some of the larger deco stickers before I started planning for the week because I wanted to make sure that I had space for them. So I'm just putting down all of the things that I think I can get done for the week, like mailing out my orders on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, doing my laundry on Tuesday, a movie night on Saturday, and then of course planning on Sunday. And then I'm just going to put down all of the rest of the cute little flower petals up top. So I will be holding on to the rest of my sticker sheets to use throughout the week, and then possibly do a use it up week. If you guys want to see that, let me know. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this 3-week plan with me, and if you guys have a favorite kit that I use this week, definitely let me know down below. if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more like it, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks again for watching, everyone, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!